Do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Nate Aranda. Nice to meet you. I promise you're gonna love my videos. So let's get cooking today. As you guys know, I'm a professional race car driver and I have to stay a certain weight and I have to stay very healthy. So today, I'm really excited. We're gonna try Ascent strawberry flavored protein. It's personally my favorite. I've never cooked before with protein. We're gonna be using strawberry flavored protein to make banana muffins. I'm really excited. It should turn out really good because Ascent protein makes the best protein out there and I can't imagine it turning out bad. These are only 120 calories. They have 5 grams of protein, 16.4 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fat. They are amazing. So if you're looking to cheat and stay healthy at the same time, these are for you. I love to cook. As you guys know, I posted many cooking videos, but I'm not much of a baker. So the reason this recipe is so attractive to me is because it is so simple. Anybody, anywhere can do it. So stick around and let's get into it. We have finished baking. I am a muffin man. I can officially call myself a muffin man because I have made muffins and nobody can hold that against me. Let's try it. Which one do we want to try? Let's go for the one that looks like it's nice and perfect. Wow. Let's hope I don't die. Yep, they're really good. It's nice and chunky with the big chunks of strawberry. Perfectly cooked. I put it in there for 15 minutes. And it's not dry, it's not like gooey, it's perfectly moist. If you want a cheat day or you want to have fun, and you should want to eat something sweet and you don't want to feel guilty about it, right here. Have a couple of these and you'll feel full, I promise. These are super good. If you guys are really interested, go follow Ascent Protein. They post different types of recipes all the time on their Instagram. So go home, go cook it. All you need is 12 ingredients. Go buy a bag of Ascent Protein. You can use my link, I'll put it in the description below. And I hope you like it. Be sure to comment below if you do make these. I want to know how you like them and any variations you try. Hope you're having a lovely day and I'll see you next time. I was doing a TikTok last night and it's the Cardi B. It's like